Ready, boys? So when we're going to hit that bump.
The lady on the hill. If she won't stop the hill.
Here comes your first bump. Good work, boys! Hang on, there's some rocks! Hey, can I zoom in on this thing? Can I zoom in on this thing? You gotta lean to steer it! That's skipping out now, that's awesome! Fucking sick, You don't want to whip him around too fast, eh? But that's just perfect what you're doing. Oi! 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 Easy, slow down, stop, stop, stop. Oh fuck! That's the funniest shit I've seen.
To the lady on the hill.
Good work, boys.